Bluetooth. You've probably heard of it and used it, but do you know how it works? Let's break it down in a simple way. Bluetooth was first developed in the 1990s to eliminate the need for cables. It's a wireless technology that allows devices to talk to each other without physical connections. It works over short distances, usually about 30 feet, using radio waves. These waves operate in the 2.4 GHz frequency range, the same frequency used by Wi-Fi and other wireless devices. When you want to connect two devices, they need to pair. This pairing process involves one device scanning for nearby Bluetooth signals and the other accepting the connection request. Once paired, Bluetooth devices can transmit small amounts of data, like audio or files, using low-power signals. This makes it perfect for things like headphones, fitness trackers, and keyboards. Bluetooth is designed to use minimal power. That's why your wireless earbuds can last for hours, and your phone doesn't drain quickly while connected. To keep your data safe, Bluetooth uses encryption to protect what's sent between devices. While not perfect, it's secure enough for most everyday uses. From audio streaming to transferring files, Bluetooth has changed the way we connect our devices. It's fast, efficient, and, most importantly, wireless. So, next time you hit that Bluetooth button, you'll know exactly what's going on behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.